it's Sin here, and we're back in that video. So today we're going to be doing something very different on my channel. I have never done this before. It's going to be brand new. We're going to be making some custom items for this Animal Jam gecko that only has 3 legs, and it came like that in its package. I'll put the link in the description of its unboxing. So let's get right into the video. So here are the things. We have the Animal Jam gecko, of course, which is really cute. We have some Model Magic air dry clay from Crayola. And we have some white acrylic paint, which is not shown today. And we also have a small rubber band to fit around its head, because that item is not going to be permanent. However, the peg leg is. So let's get right into it. So the hat actually turned out better than I expected it to be. I mean, I'm not the professional at this, so it looks kind of like a lobster tail, but I feel like I did a decent job at this. So this ladybug really freaked me out when I found it crawling on my arm. It surprised me so much. I love beetles, so this is just a fun surprise. I'm gonna go let it outside now. Okay, back to crafting. The gecko still can't stand up because of unproportionalities, which means its head is too large for its other end. But at least it falls at a different angle now. And I'm just going to wait for this to dry for a day, and then I'm going to paint the spots on this hat. Okay, so it's been a day, and now I'm going to use this toothpick to put some white spots on this clay. So I did the rest off camera because it's really kind of hard to do it with one hand. It depends on how long it takes for it to dry, depends on how many layers you did. I only did one, so it shouldn't take very long to dry. So here's the finished custom. I think it turned out okay. This is my first custom, so please take it lightly. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next video. Goodbye.